Hey everyone, this is Mr.laowai-English Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the latest flagship from OnePlus, the OnePlus S3 Pro. So let's get started. First off, in my right hand, I have got the Oppo 12 Pro. And here we have the OnePlus S3 Pro in my left hand. At first glance, there's not a huge difference in design. But if you look closely, you will notice that the silver metal trimmed next to the camera module is removed on the OnePlus S3 Pro. There are two main differences between these phones. The OnePlus 12 Pro has better front and back cameras, while the OnePlus S3 Pro has a larger battery. Let's talk about the design. OnePlus has really gone for a premium feel with the S3 Pro. The device features a metal frame, making it feel sturdy and solid in your hand. And the phone weighs about 210 grams. At the top, you will find an IR blaster and a microphone. It also supports the signature OnePlus Alert slider, which is super handy for switching between silent, vibrant, and ring modes. There's also a dual stereo speaker setup for immersive sound. At the bottom, you will have another microphone, a Type-C 2.0 charging port, and the same card tray, and boost an IP65 rating for water resistance, which is not enough, I guess. Plus, the back is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, adding an extra layer of durability. Now moving on to the battery, the OnePlus S3 Pro packs a hefty 6100 mAh battery. Charging is incredibly fast with the included 100-watt adapter. You can fully charge this beast in just 35 to 40 minutes. Next up, the display. The OnePlus S3 Pro features a gorgeous 6.78-inch curved AMOLED panel with a 90% screen-to-body ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. It supports Dolby Vision HDR10+, offers peak brightness of 4500 nits, and has a pixel density of 510 ppi. The under-display fingerprint sensor is a nice touch, and everything is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It's definitely one of the best displays on the market right now. On the software side, things vary a bit depending on where you buy the phone. The Chinese variant comes with ColorOS 14, while the global variant will run Oxygen OS 14. Both offer a smooth and user-friendly experience, though Oxygen OS tends to be favored by hardcore OnePlus fans. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the phone promises a seamless user experience. You also get UFS 4.0 storage, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C 2.0, and OTG support. If you're buying the Chinese variant, no worries, it comes with Google Play service, so you just need to download the Google Play app. For selfie lovers, the OnePlus S3 Pro has a 16-megapixel front camera, supporting 1080p at 30fps. It's decent, but honestly, a 32-megapixel front camera would have been better. Now let's talk about the rear camera setup. The device is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera featuring the IMX890 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. I'm not sure why they included such a small macro lens, but it is what it is. For video, it can shoot 4K at 30 and 60 fps, and there are live photos and AI editing tools, which is pretty cool.
I wonder who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's your fear like never having no real life? I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain. I'm just minding till you see what happens next. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it, sound like blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing.
This is OnePlus S3 Pro. I'm recording this video at 1080p 30 fps. Unfortunately, it doesn't support 4K. And this is the result. I'm showing you the running result when you are recording video from front camera. The color quality looks very nice from this angle. I'm recording this video at 4K 30 fps and it cannot switch to ultra wide. So this is 1x normal lens and it can zoom. Okay, it can zoom 2.4, 5, 6 and 10. This is 10x. This is 1x. This is 1x result. 10x result. This is 0.6x, but unfortunately it does not support 4K when I am recording video in ultra wide 0.6x. It automatically switched 10x when I started recording video ultra wide 0.6x. So this is 1080p 30 fps ultra wide, and it cannot switch to other lenses. If I wanted to zoom in, it cannot zoom in. Wrapping it up, the OnePlus S3 Pro comes in 3 elegant colors: white, green and grey, and offers 4 variants. The base model with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage is priced at 3,199 Chinese yuan, roughly 460 USD. If you are looking for the top tier model with 24GB RAM and 1TB storage, it will set you back 4,399 Chinese yuan, approximate 620 USD. And that concludes our review of the OnePlus S3 Pro. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Until next time, this is Mr. Laowai-English signing off.